Okay, let's look on how to attack word problems. And again, word problems are probably our students' worst fear or worst thing that they like to do. So you just got to follow a procedure. And they give a four-step process, which they'll repeat over and over in this book. That the first thing you do have to do is you have to read the problem. You know, identify the variables, draw a picture, um, do whatever it takes to understand what the problem is asking, and then you plan on how you're going to solve it. Are you going to make a table? You know, what are your key mathematical words that are being used? Whether it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, things like that. You might have to make a table. All that is part of the planning process. Then you're going to just simply solve. And then the most crucial aspect is to check your work and make sure that it's logical. So those are the four steps in attacking all word problems. It doesn't matter how big or small they are. But let's look at example number 1. It says that the sum of 5 times a number and 2 times the number is 161. And so they want you to find that equation. Well, let's look at some keywords here. Sum means addition. Times means multiplication. I have another times here. And anytime we see the word is, it's the same as saying equal to. So we have the sum of 5 times. Well, 5 times our variable, 5x, plus a number, and 2 times that number, or 2x, equals 161. And then we do our basic algebraic solving. 5x plus 2x is 7x equals 161. This is multiplied, so we'll do the opposite. So we'll divide by 7, and we get x equals 23. Now that we've solved it, we verify it. So we do 5 times 23 plus 2 times 23 equals 161. All right, well, we know 5 times 23 is 115 plus 46. And once it comes out to be equal and I've checked my work, then I can circle my answer. And we've solved the problem. Okay, so we got to look for those keywords and create an equation that we can solve. Let's look at example number 2. Example number 2 says, in 14 years, Joe will be 42. So how old is he? Now, you might be tempted just to, answer the question and not actually create an equation, but it's hard to give partial credit. It's hard to earn all the points unless you do all the work. So again, 14 years, Joe will be 42, so that tells me what my equal sign is. Will be 42, that's my solution. Now, Joe currently is, we'll say, X years old, and in 14 years from now, we'll add 14 to that equals 42. So we'll subtract 14 from both sides, and we get x equals 28. Now we can't just circle it until we verify it. So 28 plus 14 does equal 42. So Joe is now 28 years old. All right, so you got some word problems to do. Please take your time and work through them diligently so you don't have to get extra homework. Thank you.